I don't need your face, I need your hair. Got your face. Ooh, shake that hair.
We need a fan.
We need a fan.
I could go to a rock concert now.
You could. You can flip it at a rock concert. You can like flip your hair and flip a bird. Dan. If you didn't hear that, if you didn't hear that, he said, "I will kill you." I can't.
I told you noise was the one thing your camera wasn't good at.
Shut up.
Yeah. Weird.
Annie. Dad. He's gonna kill me. Hey, don't flip that finger. YouTube
Yeah,
saw.
'cause you've never flipped it at me, have you? No.
No.
Christina? Christina would never do that.
Wait, we do this action.
She hides it.
Good job, Christina.
I'm a fan of this one. Can you not
Annie.
hear it? Let me turn it up.
Can you not hear this? Let me turn it up.
That's what you did to me yesterday.
That's what I do to everyone.
We get along really well.
We do. If we're not fighting. I love you.
We're only fighting when you do something stupid.
Or you do something stupid.
Like what?
Like
Name one thing.
Like hit me. Yeah,
Name one time.
You tell me you're gonna cut me all the time. You say I will cut you.
As a joke.
But you say it with
I'm
a
sorry
serious
if
face.
says
He goes.
Hello?
I will cut you.
No. Yeah?
Annie.
Yep.
Annie.
So you can tell she's tired when she gets hyper crazy.
I'm gonna be up a while setting up for my New Year's party with Jess. You can help me clean up, like your
since I don't
cards.
have to get up tomorrow since Mom's taking my dentist appointments.
Oh. Oh, I want it.
You guys doing? Oh wait, you guys are coming here for New
Yeah.
Year's, aren't
Well,
you?
Corey is not. He's being lame-o and he's not coming. Or I mean, arriving.
Yeah. You got family? Or?
No.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, the only reason Corey's not coming is because he told me he sits in his basement and watches the Disney party. Like, oh, no, I don't want to put it away. You put it away. That's what she said.
No, this year my neighbor's gonna be there soon.
Seizure. Yeah, I don't want you there.
No, I'll be at my house.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Adios.
Say bye.
Konnichiwa. I don't know how to say bye in Japanese.
Isn't that